Convert text to speech with AI. The future of voice technology. Convert text to speech with AI. The future of voice technology. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, and one of the most impressive advancements is AI-powered text-to-speech (TTS) technology. Whether you want to create audiobooks, voiceovers for videos, or even assistive technology for visually impaired users, AI-driven TTS tools are making it easier than ever. How AI text-to-speech works. TTS technology uses deep learning and natural language processing (NLP) to convert written text into realistic human-like speech. Advanced AI models such as Google's WaveNet and OpenAI's TTS engines can mimic human intonation, pitch, and emotion, making digital voices sound more natural than ever before. Benefits of AI-powered text-to-speech. 1. High-quality voice generation. AI models now produce realistic and expressive speech. 2. Multiple languages and accents. Many TTS tools support various languages and regional accents. 3. Customizable voices. Some AI platforms allow users to create their own custom voice models. 4 times saving. Automated voiceovers reduce the need for manual recording and editing. 5. Accessibility. TTS helps visually impaired users and makes content more inclusive. Top AI text-to-speech tools. 1. Google Text-to-Speech, a widely used tool integrated into Android and Google services. 2. Amazon Poly, a cloud-based TTS service with lifelike voice synthesis. 3. Microsoft Azure Speech offers advanced voice customization and high-quality speech synthesis. Or IBM Watson TTS provides AI-driven voice generation with expressive speech. 5. Play.height and 11. Labs premium services offering realistic and customizable AI voices. Applications of AI text-to-speech. YouTube, videos and podcasts. AI voices for narration and voiceovers. Audiobooks convert books and articles into spoken content. Customer support, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. Education and e-learning interactive lessons and accessibility for students. Future of AI TTS technology. As AI continues to improve, TTS systems will become even more lifelike, with natural pauses, emotions, and personalized voices. Future applications may include AI-powered voice assistants that can hold dynamic conversations and respond with human-like expressiveness. Conclusion. AI text-to-speech technology is transforming the way we communicate and consume digital content. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, leveraging AI-powered TTS can enhance your projects and improve accessibility. Are you ready to try AI text-to-speech? Let us know your favorite AI TTS tool in the comments.
Welcome to EduTech_360, the future of learning. In this digital era, technology is revolutionizing education like never before. At EduTech_360, we bring you the latest trends, tools, and innovations shaping the future of learning. From AI-powered classrooms to interactive e-learning platforms, we explore how technology enhances education.
That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to EduTech360 for more exciting tech insights. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay curious, stay innovative, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.